So I got both bikes out, debating on whether or not I want to go for a ride. Hello everybody, it's that time of the year again. We had a late start this year, so it's like April. Last year we were early March, but today we're gonna get the motorcycles out. I had to put a new battery in Randallins a couple days ago because the the battery was completely dead. But yeah, we gotta get the motorcycles out, so I gotta move all this stuff out the way, and a bunch of stuff fell right next to my bike. So I got to get that cleaned up, and then we're going to get the bikes out. I don't know if we're going to go for a ride or not, but we'll see. So I got the good battery in. Hopefully we can get it to start. There we go. So Beauty is ready to go. I'm going to let her warm up a bit, and then I'll pull her out. Alright, so now I'm going to pull her out of the garage. I'm just going to move her up here for a second. Woohoo! So much fun. So I moved some stuff, all this stuff tipped over and fell because I'm storing other people's stuff. So I've got to get all this stuff back to them, and then I got to get my bike out and get all the nails that fell on the floor so I don't pop a tire. So got to get it cleaned up, and then I'll get my bike out. So I got everything moved. Thankfully, no nails spilled. It was just a bunch of random stuff. So I got the battery tender undone, got everything moved out of the way I need to move. Let's see how well she starts. Put my choke on. Here we go. Get her straightened up. Back her up a smidge so I don't carbon monoxide myself in the garage. Let's see how she does. Always takes a second for the gas to get in there. Oh, might help if I turn the gas back on, right? There we go. Gas is on. Whoa, she is alive! I love that sound. It's so loud. So I'm going to step out here and let her warm up, and I'll be back in a second. So I got both bikes out, debating on whether or not I want to go for a ride. I might. I don't know yet. It's still early in the day. So I got to get the rest of my garage cleaned out because that's got to go up. We have all this stuff. And we have a garage full of stuff, so I got to get all this stuff moved because I'm thinking about having a yard sale next weekend. Well, disappointing news, we're not going for a ride. It just cooled off a little bit in Randallins, not feeling like riding. Good news is, I got my garage clean. Hang on, let me correct myself. I got it organized so I can fit both bikes in and not have to move stuff out of the way. Still got a little bit of sweeping to do, but I'm not going to show that video. So, unfortunately, this is a very depressing video, but I got the bikes out. I'm gonna go for a ride, maybe, I don't know. I got other stuff to do. I got the Corvette out ready with a big for sale sign on it. But yeah, at least I got the garage organized-ish. Moved around so I can fit stuff in there. So when we go for that first ride of the season, I'll make sure I film it and you guys can watch. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.